Hey guys, it's Shanae from WTI. So I love my family, but they are a messy bunch. I mean, every day I'm finding new spills. There's always food on the carpets and on the furniture. It's just never ending. And so for me, it's very important to have a good carpet cleaner. And this is the one that I've been using to get the job done. This is the Bissell Little Green Pro Heat. I like this one because it's nice and light, so very portable, easy to take around the house. It's also very powerful. I've found that it's been able to take out even the toughest of stains. We have a cream colored carpet in our living room, and so many times we've spilled wine or juice or something else, but you wouldn't be able to tell if you were to look at it. Now it's very easy to use. Before you use it, you need to fill up your clean container with the cleaning formula, and you know it's that one because it says clean. It's clearly marked here so you can't get it mistaken. And so the container actually shows you how much formula you need to use and how much water as well. There's different measurements if you're doing a smaller surface or if you're doing a bigger surface. So I actually need to clean my ottoman, so I'll show you right now how I'm going to use it. So you'll plug in your machine and press the on button and then pull your trigger to spray your cleaning formula onto your surface. I like to spray a good amount and then let the formula sit for about 5 minutes. And now after you've let it sit, it's time to get rid of all that dirt. So you hold the head of the machine close to your surface as it sucks away all that gross stuff. And I don't know why, but I just find this part so satisfying to watch. And there we have a clean ottoman, good as new. So as much as I don't enjoy cleaning, I kind of really like using this thing just because it works so well and it makes your carpets and your furniture look almost as if they're brand new. So if you have pets or children or just people who are prone to spilling things all the time, you definitely need one of these. It's going to save your sanity, and that's my point of view.